guys, it's Chanel again, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm wearing the same outfit from my previous video. I'm recording the video in the same day, so don't mind that. But anyway, I'm bringing you guys my room tour finally. It's the end of the year and I decided why not have a room tour for my sophomore year dorm room. And it's been long awaited because I know I promised that in my introduction video that you guys should go watch, and since I'm starting to move out my stuff and my room's gonna be empty in a couple of weeks, then I decided why not make my room tour now. So please remember to subscribe and comment down below what you guys like, and also what videos you guys would like for me to do, and also follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys later. Bye. So this is from my room, and here just have my name, my social media, follow me. And then I have a quote that says the grind never stops, because that's true. And then I just have some pictures of my friends. Hopefully it focuses. If it doesn't, I'll be screwed. I just have some pictures of my friends for some dances that we would do. So welcome. Okay, so when you first walk into my room, this is how it looks like. A very basic and simple dorm room. Okay, so I'm gonna just start here. I'm sorry that it looks so empty. Like it was parents weekend last weekend and my mom like took a lot of my stuff down, but I still have a lot of stuff. I don't know why. It just looks empty. So first I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, and this dorm room has a lot of storage. So compared to my freshman year dorm room, this has like a lot more storage and a lot more stuff. So here I just have my toiletries and all that stuff, my lotion. So here, so basically just have all my lotion stuff, sunscreen, very important. And I used to have bins with my stuff, but since I don't really need them and I'm also going to Spain, I'm also keeping the things that I'm going to Spain with here, and then I put the rest of them back home because I don't need them. And here I just have a jewelry stand thingy, and then I also have 2 jewelry boxes. So this one, it was a gift from my friend's mom, and I got it for Christmas, and I just have some like random jewelry. And then this one I just got from my grandma, and then also random jewelry. And I used to have like a whole row of nail polish, but since I like put them away because I didn't ever use them. I only used like the same 2 nail polishes. On this first shelf, I just have my towels and my rags. Then I also have my blankets. I used to have like a whole lot more, but since I don't really need them and the school year's about to be over, like I said, I only have like a couple of them. And up here I have my bottoms, so my leggings here, my jeans here, pants, and also pants / shorts. And I used to have a lot more but like I said, don't really need them. And up here I just have my shower caddy. I don't really know if I should show that. And then feminine stuff. And then up there is just like empty and only one bag because like I don't need anything. Over here I have 2 hooks. This one is like broken. It like falls off every time. Like, okay, so it was before, it wasn't like this. This is like the picture hook now, but before it was like the normal hook like that one, but then it broke, so I have to use a picture hook, and that falls like every time. And then over here I have 3 little dresser drawers, and here I just have underwear stuff. Here, what do I have in here? Bathing suits, my robe. And then here I just have like my shirts, my everyday wear. Sorry that it's like looks really bad. Like I need to start cleaning up. And here's my mirror. Look at me. Sorry my stomach is all out. And yes, I have a full-size mirror. I love it when I'm getting ready in the morning. So next, this is my other side of my closet area, and I just have this big shelf thingy up here, which I used to have 2 bins, but since I packed my stuff away, I just took the bins back home, and now my suitcase for Spain. I have my steamer iron, but it's over there. And I just have my laundry things, which I don't use. So this is my closet, and it looks like I have a lot of clothes now, but you can't imagine like what it was before, because I had so many more clothes. So like here are dresses and okay, that just fell. Okay, great. So here I just have dresses and class dress stuff. Then here I have shirts, my dashiki, I love it, got it from Dashiki Pride, shout out to them. What is it, sweaters, and then like jackets and stuff. And as you can see, I have like a lot of hangers that is like, that's just there because like I took away a lot of clothes. And I'm gonna pick this up, but here I have my shoes. I have a shoe rack where I think I got this from, where did I get this from? I think I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond or Target, one of those. I got it my freshman year and I still use it to this day. And it used to come in a pack of 6, but since I don't really have the space for the 6th tier, I just use the 3 tier because you can use however height you want. And then here I just have my shoes. Comment down below if you want a shoe collection thing, because this is not even all my shoes. I have way too many shoes. I like took most of them home. Like, yeah. So this was the hanger that the room came with, and all I have here is some heavy coats, some bags and stuff. And this bag was given to me by my proctors, shout out to them. So this is like a little mini area, and then I'm just gonna walk into my action room. And these pom-poms I got from a senior here who was giving them away, and she was like, do you want these? So I was like, sure. Okay, so next is this part of my room. This is like my favorite part. I love it so much. Don't mind that box there, I'm using that to pack up. So I'm gonna start off from here. For my room, I didn't really know what theme I wanted, but then I eventually decided I wanted a pink and gold theme with also having a lot of posters. So here I have a poster that says never let your fear decide your fate, and also I have these plaques. I got this plaque from Claire's, got this plaque from Target. This is a gift from my godmother. And then these posters came in a book. I forgot what the name of the book was, but it's like a big poster book. I'll try to see if I can link it down below. I have this lamp. I don't know where I got it from. Most I get from Target. Most of the things that I got are from Target, so yeah. Then my fan. A fan is an essential, especially when it's during the fall and the springtime, because it can get really, really hot. And there's no like air conditioning in the dorm rooms, only heat, so you need that. And here I just have a lot of plugs and stuff. I'm sorry about that. And on my floor I have this tiny rug, and I got this from Target for like $12. And it moves around a lot. I need to have like a little thing that goes under it that'll make it stop moving, but yeah. And over here I have this whole wall, well, these 2 walls are like with these gold polka dots that I got from Amazon. And all of these poster thingies I got from the quote book, well, the poster book that I told you guys about. All of these things are from the poster book. And here is my bed, the best part. I love my bed so much. The bedding I got from, what was it, Target? Like I said, everything's from Target. And this pillow my mom got for me for Spain. These bears my mom gave me for Valentine's Day. These 2 pillows I got from Amazon. And this breast pillow I think I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. And my bed, I wanted to raise my bed, but you can't raise it because you have 2 dressers. So I have my like athletic clothes here, and then I have this dresser. It's so hard to open, it's like stuck. Then I have my like night clothes over here, like that's extremely hard to close. And then here's my desk. My desk is really long, which I appreciate. I'm sorry if it's like looking cluttered right now. This is the cleanest it can ever be. And it has like 3 slots, areas, thingies, I don't know what to really call it. And in this first slot I have my printer, and up here I just have my printer paper, my books. Most of my books are still back home because I don't need them. Just some books. This second part is my hair products. I have a lot less hair products now because I didn't need all of them, and since my hair is in braids I don't really need all of the products. So here I have my shampoo and conditioner. I love the coconut milk shampoo conditioner. This is my favorite of all time. I have my Cantu edge control, and I have a Bible that my grandmother gave to me when I went to school, and then a blow dryer. Then at the last lot, I had all my makeup here, but like I said, don't need it, so I just like packed all of them in here somewhere. And then I just have my sleeping mask, which I really use, my sunglasses, which I got from H&M, some makeup wipes. And then up here I have a picture of my friends from middle school. So here's my main desk area, and as you see I have a whole lot of pictures, and I'm sorry if I look like terrible in all of them. This is from my freshman year, and I didn't have any pictures in my sophomore year because I look a lot better now. But I'm just gonna start from this side. My grandma gave me these flowers for Parents Weekend. I don't know why, but she just loved me, and she said that she wants to give me flowers and make my room a little bit brighter. So she gave me these flowers, and she also got me these tangerines and melons and almonds. And then she also got me this big ton of crackers. I don't know why. She just like, I don't know why. Here I have my Peterman, which I use to help control my weight. If you want me to make a video that goes more in depth of how a Peterman works, then comment down below as well. Then here I have my mirror. Hello guys again. And then I have my dry erase board, which I got from Target. And then this book that I'm reading for English called The God of Small Things by Arundhati Roy. I love it. I recommend this book. It's an amazing book. Then I got this swirling school supply organizer that I got from Staples, and I just carries all my stuff. Then I have my contacts, my school supplies, camera, and then I have this lamp that also has like a charging station area, but I don't really use it. Next I have my water bottles and my mug. A mug and a water bottle is very essential. And then I also have my vitamins. So I take biotin every single day. It's to promote healthy hair, skin, and nails. Then I also have my speaker, and then random headphones. And finally, well not finally, I just have dressers. So here is this random miscellaneous stuff. Here I have all of my snacks, and also have snacks underneath my desk as well. Snacks are very essential, and my grandma bought like a whole bunch Parents Weekend. And then this straw is empty because I don't really have anything. And this is the quote book that I was talking about. What is it called? It is called DIY Special Edition Gallery Art, and I got it off of Amazon. And if you want some really good posters, then you should get this. And last is underneath my desk. So here I just have my trash can that the school provides. Then I have my laundry bin, trash basket. I have my sports bag and my second alternative bag, school bag, underneath. And then I also have also my utensils and my plates whenever I need to eat.